कोक के वर्ल्ड सीईओ थे ब्रायन डायसन, उनकी एक 30 सेकंड की स्पीच है। अगर ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को एक विनंती है कि अगर अनुकूल हो तो यूट्यूब पे से डाउनलोड करके आप कोई भी सेशन में दिखाना। यहां 30 सेकंड्स हैं सिर्फ। एक बी स्कूल के कॉन्वोकेशन में वे बोले थे, एंड अ टॉप कॉर्पोरेट पोजीशन, वर्ल्ड सीईओ ऑफ कोका कोला, Brian Dyson, after his 40 years of experience in the corporate world, he was sharing his experiences, but he just made a 30-second speech. बहुत अच्छी बात उन्होंने कही है उस स्पीच में। मैं थोड़ी एलाबोरेट करके आपको वो बैलेंस शीट ऑफ लाइफ कैसी है वो बताते हैं। उन्होंने बोला कि my 40 years of experience in the corporate field has taught me one thing, and that is get to work on time, work very effectively during your working hours, and get back to your family on time. This is balance sheet of life. Get back to your family on time. ये पहली बात उन्होंने बताई कि मेरे 40 साल का अनुभव मुझे ये सिखाया। Then he said, in life you are actually juggling with 5 balls. हमने सर्कस में जोकर को देखा ना, is juggling with more than 2, 3, 5 balls. In life you are juggling with 5 balls in hand. The first ball is the ball of work. Second is the ball of family. Third is the ball of health. Fourth is the ball of friends. And fifth is the ball of spirit. You are dealing with these 5 balls in life. Then the third point he said, that after many years of juggling with these 5 balls, you will come to know that the first ball, that is ball of work, is made up of rubber, and the rest 4 balls, that is health, family, spirit and friends, is made up of glass. The fourth thing he said, that the ball of work is made up of rubber. If you lose it and falls on the ground, it will bounce back because it is made up of rubber. There is work opportunities will keep on coming. As the chairman of Virgin Atlantic, he says that work is like bus stand, a bus comes every 3 minutes. But Brian Dyson says the other 4 balls of your life, family, friends, health and spirit, are made up of glass. If you lose them, they fall on the floor, it will break. If not break, crack. If not crack, it will D-shape. But it will not be the same again. It will not be the same again. So, take care of your work, take care of your family, take care of your health, take care of your friends. Live a balanced life. Money is not everything in life. Not even your professional career is everything in your life. Live as a human being. Don't live as a professional. Just work as a professional, but live as a human being. That is the balance of life.